Hey second graders, this is lesson number 7, video number 2. I posted the same video number 1 that we did yesterday because I wanted you to practice the same cards again. But moving on for the lesson today, we are going to talk about accent. I'd like to talk to you about syllables again. We talked a little bit about last week. Syllables are how many parts or vowel sounds there are to a word. So let's take a look at the word, or take a listen to the word accent. Please clap out the word accent. Accent. There are 2 syllables in the word accent. Listen to the first syllable and see if you notice anything different than when I say the second syllable. Accent. Accent. Did you notice anything I did differently on the first syllable? Listen to the first syllable again and tell me if I said it longer or shorter. Accent. Now listen and see if I say it louder or softer. Focus on the first syllable. Accent. One more time. Listen and see if I say the first syllable higher or lower. Accent. So we said the first syllable longer, louder, and higher. When we say a syllable louder, longer, and higher than the other syllables, we are accenting that syllable. There's a special mark we use to show an accent. This is the same mark that you used in our long vowel rule. An open accented vowel is long and needs to be coded by a macron. And there is your accent mark. You remember with he and be from yesterday? Almost every word in our language has an accent. Even one-syllable words such as me, so, I, Pat, and him are accented. We don't hear the accent as easily on these words because they're only one syllable. But if a word has 2 or more syllables, it is much easier to hear the accent because that syllable is longer, louder, and higher than the other syllables. Let's try another word. See if you can hear the accent. Hold up one finger if you hear the accent on the syllable, the first syllable, and 2 fingers if you hear the accent on the second syllable. Here's the word summer. Summer. You should be holding up your number 1 finger because the first syllable is accented. Summer, some is longer and louder and higher. All right, so that is our lesson for today. Here's the picture of the vowel that's macroned and accented with the words like so and I. Okay. We're going to move on to talking about blends. Blends are something very important that I want you to be able to understand. Echo these words with me. Repeat after me. Stop. Good. Step. Good. And stun. What sound do you hear in each of these words? At the beginning. St, st. Let's look at these words and see what is making the st sound. Take a look. St, stop, st, step, st, stun. S and T sound like st when blended together. What letters do you think are making the ST sound? I already told you the st is represented by ST. There are many blends in the English language. A blend is 2 consonants that slide together so smoothly that you can hardly hear each sound. St, st, blend together smoothly. All right, so that is the different blends. We are going to go ahead and talk more about blends when we do our worksheet together in video 3 for lesson 7. See you again soon.